Okay, we are super excited. We've gotten a few new kids counseling resources, and we are so excited to use them and bring them back. This is one of my favorite books and authors, Dr. Josh and Christy Straub, husband and wife, parents of 3, and just awesome humans that we got to hang out with in Tennessee. What Am I Feeling? It has a feelings chart. They've written a few other kids' books. What do I do with anger? What do I do with worry? We love them. If someone's feeling a little, like they need a hug from a cupcake puppy, that always helps. Playing some Uno, the little fidgets that go. The glitter jar is one of my favorites, so that you give it a good shake and let the glitter, watch it all come down to the bottom. And we'll come back to that at the end. That's kind of like our thoughts, when our thoughts go all crazy and then we need some time to simmer. And then of course, fine tip dry erase markers for kids and drawing, bubbles to help regulate that nervous system of blowing that out. Big ball, sketch pad and markers, building, lots of markers, crayons, colored pencils. These are some of my favorite things. We use these with our kids too, and you roll them and there's just different conversation cubes. Name a movie you like. When's your birthday? Do you have a pet? Things like that. And they're just so fun to get talking. And then these are a little deeper. These are trauma-informed, different types of talking points with adults, teens, kids. They're really awesome. So a sample again could be one of these. If you were the teacher at school, what would you do on the first day of school? What activity do you like doing with other people? If you painted a beautiful picture, who would you give it to? How does going to school make you feel? And it's just awesome. I love this. And then this is another similar one. This is for families. You can do it with kids. Author Gary Chapman from the 5 Love Languages. We do this at my dinner table. So if you've come to our house for dinner, you've probably joined in on this, but we love using it with our kids and families too. Who doesn't love a good grumpy cat and a good squeeze? Getting all of our senses going with silly Play-Doh, and they're tangible, you can smell it, you can play with it, it's tactile. These awesome giraffes are so fun. They were awesome on a flight, 2 flights across the continent and about 25 hours of driving to our US trip. And these grow, they can suction onto airplane windows. So I have some for my own house, and then these are brand new ones for our office. This is also an awesome resource, Parenting Through the Phases by Parent Q. And as you can tell, there is parenting your everything, from your new baby, 1-year-old, all the way down to 12th grader and everywhere in between. So it's really good. And then Connect 4, we've got Uno, just some good games to play too, and some little figurines for play therapy, ball catching, throwing that around. All right, let's check out our glitter. So as you can tell, all the glitter has come back down. Our thoughts and life gets so hectic and it shakes and the jar goes everywhere. You actually can't see through it. It's all mixed up. But then sometimes we need to use one of these awesome resources, or counseling safe people, going for a walk, getting outside, play, anything like that. And we start to come down. So here's a few of our new resources, and I hope you come check them out with us. They're pretty awesome. We're really excited about it.